Hi everybody, it's Marin with 321 Strong, and today we're foam rolling our inner thigh. To begin, we want to find a nice flat, even surface to bring the foam roller down in front of us. What we're going to do is we're going to place one leg right above the foam roller, right above the knee here. The other leg's going to extend, and we're kind of bringing our hips down to the floor, down to our forearms. So we're just basically lifting the knee up onto the side, and it's going to get right here on the inside from above that knee. You're going to feel that pressure, and then all you're going to do is scooch down, rolling up that inner thigh. So I just like to lift with my forearms, scooching down. And for me, there's a lot of hot spots here. I think this is a very tender region for many of us because we don't get to work our inner thighs very often. So when you do find that tender spot or that trigger point, go ahead and relax there for 30 seconds. I like to close my eyes and breathe, really focusing on relaxing that muscle before continuing to roll back down towards the top of my knee and back up towards my inner thigh, up by the hip, and we're going to scooch up and down this inner thigh for 10 times before going ahead and switching sides.